Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how a tablet payment device works, using an easy step-by-step guide. First, the cashier enters the purchase amount or selects the customer's items on the tablet screen. The tablet shows the item list, subtotal, tax, and final payable amount so the customer can clearly review the total before making payment. Next, the customer chooses a payment method. They can use an EMV chip card, swipe a magnetic stripe card, tap a contactless card, or pay with a mobile wallet using NFC. This makes the tablet payment device flexible for different types of customers. After that, the customer presents the payment method to the device. If it is a chip card, the card is inserted into the reader. If it is a contactless card or mobile phone, it is tapped near the NFC area. If it is a magnetic stripe card, it is swiped through the reader. Then, the tablet payment device reads the card or NFC information. At this stage, the device captures only the required payment data needed to process the transaction. The tablet screen may show messages such as processing, please wait, or authorizing payment. Afterward, the payment data is encrypted and sent securely through Wi-Fi or cellular network. This encryption helps protect sensitive payment information while it travels from the tablet payment device to the payment gateway and processor. Next, the payment gateway forwards the request to the processor and bank or card issuer. The bank checks the customer's account, card status, available funds, security rules, and transaction limits before making a decision. Then, the approval or decline response is sent back to the tablet payment device within a few seconds. If the payment is approved, the transaction continues. If it is declined, the customer may need to try another card, mobile wallet, or payment method. Once the payment is approved, the tablet confirms the transaction on the screen. At the same time, the sale is recorded in the POS system, helping the business track revenue, inventory, customer orders, and transaction history. After that, the customer can receive a receipt. Depending on the setup, the receipt can be printed from the built-in printer, sent by email, or delivered through SMS. This gives the customer proof of payment and completes the checkout process. Finally, the tablet payment device becomes ready for the next transaction. In simple words, it displays the sale amount, accepts card or contactless payment, encrypts the data, connects with the payment processor, receives approval, records the sale, and provides a receipt. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.